I never do.
Okay.
The only time I've done one, my plane crashed. It lost signal.
Uh-oh.
All right, I can't get it to turn. Which one of these is rudder?
Hope it's the one on your throttle.
Which one?
Rudder trim?
The rudder rate. Which
This one. That rudder is really loose on there.
Oh, it's not doing a real big turn on the.
There we go. I think I've got it in safe mode. It ain't want to turn. That's why it wouldn't turn. I've got it in safe mode. I'll just let it fly in safe mode for a minute.
Now, is that true that once you adjust your trim, you're supposed to let it go 3 seconds before you move the stick, so the receiver can know where?
I don't adjust the trim in safe mode. You can't really adjust the trim in safe mode. I have to adjust the trim and it should be right. I'm gonna turn it out to safe mode here.
Climbing there, isn't she?
Yeah. There we go. I've got a lighter battery in it, probably than what Bill flew. That's hands off right there. Maybe one click up.
Well, you got a crosswind too, it's going to push you.
Yeah. Well, that's all hands off right there, so it's trimmed good now for this. Let's see what it does. About half throttle.
You can see it crabbing a little bit with that wind.
But it's flying straight and level other than the wind. So it may need a little bit of rudder trim. But honestly, I can't tell with this wind, so I'm going to leave it alone. This is what I'm interested in. Let me get up higher before I do it. There's these flaps. All right, well, it did all right there. I set it, I think, like 12% down on the takeoff flaps and 15% down on the landing. Now, that's doing real good.
You got flaps on it now? No.
Oh, there we go.
That wind bouncing around, isn't it?
I'd put them back up. Needs more down.
Is that flaps down on it?
Yeah. Try it again here. Takeoff flaps are fine.
But your full flaps?
Full flaps now. I've got it on full flaps again now. I think I got it. Maybe too much.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That looks pretty good there, I think. I'm fighting that headwind. I'm out of the flaps. You want to land it? You want to fly it?
I'm going to wait till the wind comes on just a little bit.
Let me try landing it here. I'm just going to use takeoff flaps to land. It's too. I probably don't. I'm going to use no flaps actually. Yeah, I'm not going to use flaps. Come on, go down. Oh, Didn't realize on the tall grass.
You know how many times I've done that?
I hope it's okay.